Our fruit and veggie co-op was an initiative that began just before COVID, and we've decided to take that back on again and restart it in our community. What we love about this is that it provides fruit and veggies that are super fresh, straight from the market to our families, but they have to contribute to that as well. So they contribute a cost to that. Each week, people come, they collect their fresh fruit and veggies, and they get packaged up here at our centre and given out to our community. We know that fruit and veggies at the moment are just so expensive, and so we thought this could be an opportunity for us to work together with our community to make sure that we're getting fresh stuff out to our families. We want to say a big thank you to St. Peter's for all the work that you do to help us out in our community. You guys are awesome. You come in here each week and help us pack up the boxes so that we can give them out. If you would like to sign up to be a part of this, I encourage you. It's an awesome community project and it's doing some great things in our community for people. So thank you so much.